It's me again. And it's Tell Like It Is Tuesday. And today, I'm covering you. Let me say, I ain't gonna say you bitch ass niggas, but you niggas that portray the bitches. Talk like bitches, act like bitches, gossip like bitches. Just real feminine like. And that ain't in the male character. The male's supposed to be hard. The male's supposed to tell the bitch when to shut the fuck up. You talking too much. Y'all niggas be doing a little too much of this. And you need to be doing this. Like Bodine say. You doing too much of this. And you need to be doing this. Y'all backwards, man. Y'all got periods or something, man. Like, for real. Y'all done took over the male species. Everybody's switching over. You know what I'm saying? What's going on? I mean, because you claim you're not gay, but you got feminine ways. Come on now, for real. You in the closet? You one of them down low niggas? But, when you niggas doing too much talking, though, why is somebody always paying attention to what somebody do, how they do it, and what the outcome is? Ain't it more important for you to be taking, you know what I'm saying, consideration and paying more attention to your life? Do this nigga that you talking about mean anything to you? Are you competing with that nigga? Because that's jealousy. That's a female trait. You like this bitch here. You got a penis, but you like, look at that bitch. She need to go ahead and take that off because she is ratchet. That's a female. That's the way the females say it. But you, nigga, you on the slide. You that Facebook gangster. You want to post shit. Who the fuck does this? Why this nigga do that? If you doing this and it should be this way, then you a lame. You a lame. No, you're the lame, buddy. You're the lame. Try again, motherfucker. Try again. When it all boils down, man, what everybody needs to do is get right with God. Find yourself, be the next man along, take care of business at home. Don't worry about what the next man doing. If it ain't bothering what you doing, don't worry about it. No need to speak on it. Males, play the male role. Females, do the female role. But if you in between, you know what I'm saying, one of them people like me, who like the same sex, then, bro, sis, just do you. I mean, it makes sense that way. But if you claim you straight and you acting like this, something wrong with that picture. Were you raised by all females? Yeah, I mean, I just wonder. That's one of my pet peeves. And I don't expect you to give two shits, two fucks, a damn, nothing. Everybody got opinions like assholes. So now you can go and talk about what you don't like or respond to this video. Do whatever the fuck you feel like. Freedom of speech. Freedom to roam this damn earth. If you ain't locked up, do it, man. Like it. Just do it. I'll let y'all chop it up with me next time. Shabbai Sass TV.